Hi you guys, welcome to my lunch meal prep for this week. For my lunch, I'm going to make some turkey burgers and a side of zucchini. You guys know if you've been around my channel, I love to keep everything super healthy and low carb. So for this week, I thought since 4th of July is coming up and I just love hamburgers on 4th of July, so I wanted to do this turkey burger, and I'm gonna make it in my air fryer. I love using my air fryer basically all summer long so that I don't have to heat up my oven and heat up the whole kitchen. So I'm gonna be making the turkey burgers in my air fryer and they turn out so good. So for the turkey burgers, I have ground turkey. You can also use ground chicken for this. I'm gonna use 1 egg, and then I have some Worcestershire sauce and some seasonings, garlic powder, onion powder. And then I'm gonna do a side of zucchini and just use some seasonings. Oh, and I have an onion I'm gonna dice up for the side of zucchini also. So a really super healthy lunch just to keep it nice and light for the middle of summer. I hope that you guys have an awesome 4th of July coming up. I love 4th of July. It's definitely like one of my favorite holidays. So I'm going to get all of this made up so that lunch is ready. I'm not gonna have to worry about what I'm having for lunch each day this week, which is what I love. If you've been around my channel, tons of meal prepping, always nice and healthy. And if you need some meal prep inspiration, make sure you subscribe if you're new. Click that bell button next to subscribe so you get a notification when I post new videos. Tons of meal prep ideas for you guys to go off of if you're looking to prep for the week to stay organized and healthy. So I'm gonna get this lunch all ready to go. So I have my ground turkey and I'm using 1.5 pounds. And I'm going to add in 1 egg, a tablespoon of Worcestershire sauce, some garlic powder and some onion powder, and then I'm going to form these into the patties. So I have my air fryer and I'm going to add the turkey patties just right into the air fryer. And then these are going to take 15 minutes, super quick and easy. And I'm going to flip them when they're halfway through. So this air fryer is really great and it gives me a little notice, has like a timer when it's halfway through. So it reminds me to flip it, which is awesome. And it's so quick and easy. So while the turkey patties are cooking, I'm going to cook up my zucchini. So I'm going to add in olive oil into my pan and then my diced zucchini. And I have also some diced onion and some seasoning. And then I'm just going to saute this. It doesn't take long, about 5 to 6 minutes. All right, so the turkey burgers and the zucchini are all ready. I'm gonna prep them into my meal prep containers. I just love how turkey burgers turn out in the air fryer. They are perfect. So lunch is going to be all ready for this week and totally healthy. I like to add onto my turkey burgers some avocado and sometimes some cheese, ketchup, like any kind of burger toppings you want are awesome on turkey burgers. So I add my avocado later after I heat this up for lunch. And you know, the avocado gets all brown after you cut it, so I don't really prep that very often. But this zucchini with the onions, super good also. And zucchini is so fresh right now, middle of summer. So it is definitely one of my favorite summer veggies. All right, so I am really excited to have lunch all prepped, ready to go, nice and organized. You all know if you've been around my channel, I just love to have all my food prepped for the week. It just helps so much with portion control. If you're trying to stick to a diet, it is so easy just to prep it all at once, and then you don't have to worry about what you're having and accidentally reach for something unhealthy. So no excuses this week with this awesome low carb lunch meal prep. So I hope you guys enjoyed this one. Subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and I hope you have a really great 4th of July coming up, and I will see you all on my next meal prep video. Bye-bye.